Hey, Father Mitch here. So we're a nonprofit and we have to train on the cheap. We also have a lot of distance learning students and they need ways to train cheap. And so we found and developed over the years some interesting ways to help people continue to train even though they don't have training partners and even though they might not have a lot of money. This is one of them. It's the 99-cent pool noodle training arm. I know you're probably laughing. What can you do with a pool noodle? Okay, but they're really inexpensive. They used to be $1 at the dollar store. They're probably $2 now. Prices are up everywhere. But get yourself a pool noodle. Now these, they used to be 6 feet long. Looks like they've started making them now 5 feet long. The distance between your outstretched hands is about your height approximately. I'm looking at this one and I'm thinking it's probably a 5-footer. I'm 5'7" in my sock feet, so this should probably be about 5 feet. Get the longest one you can get. Less than 5 feet probably isn't going to work. It's just not going to really simulate arms the way that this does. Get yourself an old bungee. I picked one that it's on its last legs. It doesn't have a lot of stretch left in it. I don't want anything I'm going to destroy because I want the good ones to use, for hauling. But get one of your old ones and then get yourself some duct tape. Yep, duct tape. It solves all problems. And put some duct tape around the center, not too much, so you can secure it to something. And you can use that a couple of ways. So attach it to your bag. Just stand next to your bag, hold it like this, pull it around, and give it a click. Now I recommend you use a bungee that has blunt plastic hooks so that you don't tear your bag. Or if you like, you can put something cloth in there. All of my bags have a rag on them to simulate hair. So if you want to, you can use that and have that drape such that it protects the bag from the hooks. Now you have an arm on your bag. Now I've got this a little high, and you can adjust this to whatever height you like. I kind of like it to be at the height that a person's arm would be, roughly. Now if you have it on a hanging bag that swings, as opposed to a drag bag like this, then you can use it as a slip stick. So you can put the bag here, and then as the bag swings and turns, when it comes towards your head, you can practice your slips. Then if you have it on a drag bag like this, it'll be stationary. But you can also use it, whether it swings or whether it's stationary, to practice your cuffing maneuvers. Against the arm, if it has a weapon in it, you can practice that. You can also use it to practice your grappling techniques, your stand-up wrestling techniques. So you can come to here and then practice your top wrist lock. You can practice double wrist lock. All these maneuvers from here. All of these things, muffles, goosenecks, all of that you can practice on this. Now you bear in mind that it's not as resistant as a human arm, but at least you can build your muscle memory and your body mechanics as you begin to manipulate it. And you can also go to the opposite side, and then when you are standing on the opposite side of the bag, it's not a right arm, it becomes a left arm. And so then you can practice everything in reverse. Okay, so now that you have your training arm attached on your floor bag, now you can begin to practice other techniques. So you need to get in here and then practice getting into good position. For your scarf holds, get in here. Make sure you have your hand on your leg here so that you have a good pillow for him. And then you can begin to practice fighting this arm. You can practice your straight arm lock, V pillow, arm lock, all of those sorts of things. Top wrist lock, double wrist lock, shark fin. You can practice all of your catch wrestling holds with this pool noodle training arm. I'm a big fan. Now again, it doesn't give you the same resistance that you would get from a human arm, but that's not what you're trying to do. You're trying to build muscle memory so that you'll know what to do between training sessions. You need sparring partners is what you need. And what you should probably do is investigate heritageartsinc.com. Look, we're a nonprofit, and if you want to start a Heritage Arts Rough and Tumble club in your area, we can help you with that. Again, we're a nonprofit, which means that you're getting instruction free of charge. Maybe you don't feel qualified. Let us help you. You can build a club, start a club, make friends, bring people together, and you can preserve the great American fighting arts. Shoot me an email at mitch@heritageartsinc.com. I hope you enjoyed this video about training on the cheap. Thanks for watching. Take care, and God bless.